What's up mga mami? Another day, another discovery! So for today's video nga ay magkakaroon tayo ng summer outing! Yan, later sasabihin ko sa inyo kung saan tayo pupunta. So I'll update you guys later. Bye! So on the way na kami. I'm with the whole family. So, time check, 1 hour bago kami makarating sa aming destination. On the road pa lang kami, guys. Maya-maya, update namin kayo ulit, guys, kung nasa na kami. Transfer na namin yung mga gamit. Tahatid kami dito sa aming mismong cabin. So hi mga mami! Nandito na kami ngayon sa Aquaria, Batangas. So yan, we're checking in here and we will stay here for 3 days and 2 nights. So I'll update you kung ano yung mga gagawin naming activities here sa may Aquaria. So we will be staying at Caruso Casobe. So, mamaya i-room tour namin sa inyo para makita nyo. So, see you later. Ayan, si mama mag-check-in na. Ayan yung area. So, nice naman. Grabe.
What number are you?
This one, cabin 19.
Wow.
This one is my room.
This is our cabin. Okay. So here's our room. We have a kitchen here. There's a bathroom. Super spacious. Yan. Meron din po yung hot and cold. Free towels. And the toilet. The toilet here. Okay, okay. Okay, we need privacy here. So yan, pagpasok nyo guys nung pinaka-entrance ng ating room ay ganito na siya. So nice. And there's a bunk bed. Say hello, Alonso. Hello. Super spacious. For family talaga siya pero up to 5 guests only. So, ganyan siya, guys. Yan, mga mami. Marerelax tayo for this weekend. So, ito siya.
And higher. There's a hammer.
Super nice. And, pakita din natin, kids, yung thank you, sir. Here. Meron siya ditong veranda. And, ayan, meron siyang outside seating. So, our room would be cabin 19. Here it is. So, that's our room tour. So, here's our whole cabin for this first night. So, this is the sea view cabin. So, tomorrow, lilipat kami ng ibang room para matry natin. Pero for this day, we will enjoy this cabin. So, see you later. Lalagay muna tayo ng sunscreen to protect our skin. Lagyan natin lahat. All over. So, So, let's go! Ayan, naka-rash guard naman ako, guys. So, okay na yan. Punta na tayo sa beach para tamang-tama lang yung oras ng sunset. Yan, ito lang po yung beach. Ito lang po yung aming cabin. Accessible lang po siya. Here we are! At natapos na akong maligo sa beach kasama ng family. So ngayon naman ay maghahanap tayo ng kakainan mamaya. Nilibutin natin tong aming pinag-check-inan kasi maghanap tayo ng dinner. Thank you for the vacation. Yes.
My pleasure, guys. And thank you. You're always there for me. In good times, in bad times. You're always side
Iba yun,
for
Ma.
me.
Iba yung lyrics. Okay na rin. At least yun ang tono. Yeah, we're going to eat na. Dito na kami ngayon sa The Sands. Magdi-dinner na kami. Filipino food again. So yan, 24 hours po ang restaurant na to. Pag napunta kayo dito sa aquarium, bisitahin nyo lang sila dito 24 hours. We order food namin. Yeah. Anong food mo, ate?
Tapan.
Yan. Sa'yo, ma. Ano sa'yo?
Dinamot na lempo with
Talong. Kuya Basti.
chicken adobo.
And hot dog. Alonso have.
Clubhouse eat.
Oh my gosh. And for Gani, a clubhouse. And we're waiting for buddies. Ano yung sa'yo?
Sising.
Yes, always.
Always.
So that's it. Everyone, for today's adventures, aming day 1. We'll just update you tomorrow again. Day 2. So yan, at the moment, 5:30 a.m. Pero tingnan nyo naman mga mommy, ang aking background. Sobrang peaceful, sobrang tahimik dito. And bibili tayo ng taho. Si Buddy bibili siya ng taho. Show the taho. Hello, sunrise! Wow, what's the name?
Jeremy. Oh, look, he's moving. Yeah, it's moving because it's alive. Oh. See ya. It's alive.
What's the name of that?
Patrick.
Oh,
It's moving.
wait.
Patrick. It's moving. See you on the seafloor.
Look at that. So many starfish. They are mating. Breakfast is here. Pancake, bacon and egg. Tosilog. Spam silog. And Monte Cristo.
Okay.
Wow. So maglalakad na tayo papuntang playground. Dadalhin natin ang mga kiddos. Outfit checking. There, my outfit for today. So yun na sila. Yun na sila guys. So antayin natin sila mag-slide. They are on their way. Basti! Good luck! Woohoo! So fun! Let's go! Let's do our lunch naman. Outfit check again. Outfit checking. Here's the Captain's Bistro. Yeah.
I wanna try this. The Captain Bistro.
Pesto. Corned beef. Margarita.
Wow.
Quesadilla.
See? Yummy. Ay, hindi ka na mag-swim later.
For our second day, this will be our cabin. Cabin 23 naman tayo for day 2. So let's go. I'll do a room tour for this cabin. Yan, pagpasok, ganun ulit. And then, same with the sink. Tapos may kettle dyan. And their bathroom, same layout. There you go. Outfit check. Yan, ganyan pa rin naman yung bathroom niya. Same layout. And when you enter, when you enter the room, ang kinagandahan ng garden view is meron siyang dalawang bunk beds. Yan, this is our nanny. So yan, dalawang bunk beds for today. And still with the view. But for this day, garden view naman. Yan, that's our room tour for the day 2 and until tomorrow.
My favorite is garden view.
Garden view. Try tayo ng boss. Magantay tayo ng tricycle going to bayan kasi tayo ay mamimili. Dito na tayo sa Santa Ana Market, dito sa Batangas. Dito na tayo magbabalat ng mangga mga mami dahil nga nakakayamang hiram ng kutsilyo sa resort. Viewers ko ma.
Guys, eto, magbabalat tayo ng mangga. Okay, dito na natin babalatan yung mangga guys kasi pagdating natin doon, lapang-lapang na tayo. So, ganito ako magbalat ng mangga. Snake, tawagin nila dito is snake, ano ba to? Field snake yata yun. Basta may snake, gano'n na yun. Kasi, kaya tinawag na snake kasi ganyan siya. Ayan, di ba? Snake siya. Yun. Ayan, nakaisa na tayo guys. Ito. Ayun, naputol. So, hindi na siya snake.
Worm na lang.
Oo. Ayan. Hirap kasi guys, pero mas maganda sana kung meron kang, feeler ba. Loy, ayun. Kagaya yan, tumuloy sa kuko. Sa kamay ko, buti na lang, mapurol. Guys, mapurol itong okay lang. Yun ang advantage ng mapurol na kutsilyo kasi hindi tatagos sa kamay mo. Yon. Pero pag sinaksak yun, matulis guys.
Ayaw mo isasaksak.
Kaya wag isasaksak. Ayan guys, ang finished product ng mango binalatan. Ayan na siya.
Na snake version.
Yeah, snake version. Ayan, yan snake na snake guys. Tapos, ayan na ang finished product.
1 kilo.
Okay, dok. See you. Ayan.
Bili rin tayo ng singkamas.
May tanong ako.
Ano ma?
kulay ang wala sa bahay kubo.
Ano ma?
Bahay kubo.
Hala, ang tagal niya na. Marami. Nandito naman tayo ngayon sa mga damit-damit.
Parang tay-tay lang.
Parang tay-tay lang siya, guys. Hi! So now we're going to the lighthouse. Yan, naakyatin namin yan, guys. With my baby. Super takot na takot siya sa araw, pero sasamahan niya akong umakyat. Let's go! Yan siya, guys. Oh my God, ang ganda! Oh, super nice! First time ko makaakyat ng lighthouse. Okay. Yan. Diyan na kami sa tuktok. From down there, ayoko nang tumingin. Magsiswimming kami ulit. Pero, mukhang meron na pong mga matutulog. 4 p.m. Yeah, magpapahinga muna sila. At ang mga kids ay maliligo na. Guys, kami ulit mag-beach and sa sunset na. Ayan, yun na yung sunset at may back. And tomorrow, uwi na kami. It's a good experience here at Casobe Aquaria. Napakaganda ng resort. All the foods were good also. Ang ganda ng pinaka-facilities niya. And marerelax ka talaga kasi hindi siya super crowded.
Hand in hand, the world looks new. Nothing's better than this ride with you.
Day 3 and last day here at Crusoe Casobe. Dito kami magbe-breakfast. Pakita ko sa inyo yung view.
Sunset paints the horizon gold. Stories shared and secrets told. Every song we sing on the way makes the
While waiting for the order, naglalaro muna po ang kids sa beach. Naghahanap sila ng starfish, mga seashell, hermit crabs. Hi mga mommy, mag-check out na tayo. Pick upin na yung mga gamit natin. So we're gonna check out. And here is the golf. Sakay ka na ma.
Mamaya po.
Maglo-load na tayo ng gamit. The last day. Narek ako ni Miss Minching. Miss Minching masungit. Tara yun. Sige na guys, mamapaya ako. Bye. That's it mga mommy.
Hi, see you next time for our vlog.
Yeah, tapos na ang aming Batangas tour. Thank you for watching. Bye!